Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Byte. In today's video, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of Arduino and learn how to control inputs and outputs. Specifically, we'll create a simple project using a switch to turn on and off an LED. And the best part? We'll be doing all of this using the Wakui Online Arduino simulator. So, if you're a beginner to get started with Arduino, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the code, let me quickly explain the components we're using for this project. We have an Arduino board, a switch, and an LED. The objective is to make the LED turn on when the switch is on and turn off when the switch is off. So let's get started. Here's the code for our project. We're using two constants to define the pin numbers for our switch and LED. In the setup function, we set the switch pin as an input and the LED pin as an output. We've also added a line to set another pin as an output and turn it high. This is not necessary for our project but is included to demonstrate additional functionality in the simulator. In the loop function, we read the state of the switch using digital read and store it in the variable switch state. If the switch is on, we set the LED pin to high, turning the LED on. If the switch is OFF, we set the LED pin to low, turning the LED OFF. Now let's run the simulation and see our project in action. As I flip the switch, you can see the LED responding accordingly. This is a simple yet powerful example of how you can control electronic components with Arduino. As you follow along with this project, you're learning some fundamental concepts of Arduino programming, such as setting pin modes, reading digital input, and controlling digital output. These skills form the building blocks for more complex projects down the road. Congratulations! You've just completed a basic Arduino project, and I hope you're feeling more confident about working with inputs and outputs. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Arduino and electronics content. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.